Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss exercise 2.5 from the second chapter polynomials and factorization of 9th class. If you didn't watch the previous videos, the link is in the description, watch it. The first bit is use suitable identities to find the following products. In that the first question is x plus 5 into x plus 2. Now this x plus 5 into x plus 2 is in the form of x plus a into x plus b. X plus a into x plus b. X plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So in the place of x only there, whereas in the place of a 5 is there, in the place of b 2 is there. Okay, let us substitute now. That is equals to x square as it is, plus a plus b in the place of a 5, in the place of b 2. 5 plus 2 times x plus a into b in the place of a 5, in the place of b 2. 5 into 2. So we get x square plus 5 plus 2 7 into x plus 5 2s are 10. So this is the simplification of the given question. Next, let us check the second question. The second one is given as x minus 5 into x minus 5. Now if we observe this, it is in the form of a minus b into a minus b. A minus b into a minus b is nothing but a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let us substitute. X minus 5 into x minus 5 is nothing but x minus 5 whole square. So x minus 5 whole square is nothing but x square minus 2 into x into 5 plus 5 square. X square as it is minus 2 into x into 5. 2 5s are 10. 10 into x 10x plus 5 square 25. So the value of x minus 5 into x minus 5 is x square minus 10x plus 25. Let us check the third question. Three x plus 2 into 3x minus 2. This 3x plus 2 into 3x minus 2 is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. A is nothing but 3x, b is nothing but 2. Okay, let us check it out now. So 3x plus 2 into 3x minus 2 will be equals to a square 3x whole square minus 2 square. 3x whole square 9x square minus 2 square 4. So the value of 3x plus 2 into 3x minus 2 is nothing but 9x square minus 4. Next, let us check fourth one. X square plus 1 by x square into x square minus 1 by x square. Again, this is also in the form of a plus b into a minus b only. So a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. In the place of a x square, in the place of b 1 by x square. So a square x square whole square minus b square 1 by x square whole square. X square whole square is nothing but x power 4 minus, here square is for numerator as well as for denominator also, so it will become 1 square by x power 4. So if we simplify this, we will get the final answer as x power 4 minus 1 square is nothing but 1 by x power 4. X power 4 minus 1 by x power 4. Next, in this first bit, last question. The fifth question is 1 plus x into 1 plus x. Here 1 plus x into 1 plus x is nothing but 1 plus x whole square. So this 1 plus x whole square is in the form of a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square. In the place of a 1 is there, in the place of b x is there. So 1 square plus 2 into 1 into x plus x square. 1 square is 1 plus 2 into 1 into x, 2x plus x square. If I write this in standard form, x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, now let us check the second bit. Evaluate the following products without actual multiplication. So in the first one he gave 101 into 99. So we should not do direct multiplication. So we need to use the identities and we need to simplify it. 101 can be written as 100 plus 1 into 99 can be written as 100 minus 1. Now this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. 100 plus 1 into 100 minus 1 is equals to 100 square minus 1 square. 100 square. So here 2 0 square is there, so it will become 4 zeros. Minus 1. 10,000 minus 1. 9,999. Next, second question. 999 into 999. 999 into 999. Here 999 into 999 can be written as 999 square. So then this 999 can be written as 1000 minus 1 whole square. 1000 minus 1 whole square is in the form of a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. So now 1000 minus 1 whole square, if we expand, we get 1000 square minus 2 into 1000 into 1 plus 1 square. So what is the value of 1000 square? So for 3 zeros square is there. So 3 into 2. So 6 zeros will come. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 2 into 1000 into 1, 2000 plus 1 square, 1. 10 lakhs plus 1, 10 lakhs 1 minus 2000. So we will get 9 lakhs 98,001. This is the answer. Next, let us check third question. 50 half into 49 half. So here 50 half can be written as 50 plus half into 49 half can be written as 50 minus half. Now this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, so which is nothing but a square minus b square. So 50 square minus 1 by 2 square. 50 square 2500 minus 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4. So 4 into 2500, that is nothing but 10,000 minus 1 whole divided by 4. 10,000 minus 1, 9,999 divided by 4. $50 half into 49 half is nothing but 9,999 divided by 4. Next question. 501 into 501. Here 501 into 501 can be written as 501 whole square. Then 501 can be written as 500 plus 1 whole square. So now this is in the form of a plus b whole square, which is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square. So now a square is nothing but 500 square plus 2 into a is nothing but 500 into b is nothing but 1 plus b square 1 square. So 500 whole square 2,50,000 25 4 zeros plus 2 into 500,000 plus 1 square 1. So 2,50,000 plus 1,000 2,51,000 plus 1 2,50,000 2,51,000 1. Next question. 30.5 into 29.5. Here 30.5 can be written as 30 plus 0.5 into 29.5 can be written as 30 minus 0.5. 30 plus 0.5 into 30 minus 0.5, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. So 30 plus 0.5 into 30 minus 0.5 can be written as 30 square minus 0.5 square. Thirty square is nothing but 900 minus 0.5 square 0.25. So from 900 we need to subtract just 0.25. 899.75. 899.75. By this problem, second bit completed. Now let us move the third bit. Factorize the following using appropriate identities. So 16x square plus 24xy plus 9y square. Now first the given question I will simplify. Here 16x square is there, so 16 can be written as 4 square x square as it is plus 24xy plus 9y square is there, so 9 can be written as 3 square y square. Now here first term 4 square x square can be written as 4x whole square plus 24xy as it is plus 3 square y square can be written as 3y whole square. Now from this, based on the first term and third term, I will simplify the second term. So 4x whole square as it is plus 2 into a is nothing but 4x into b is nothing but 3y plus 3y whole square as it is. So this middle term 24xy I wrote it as 2 into 4x into 3y. 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24, again same. So now if we observe this clearly, the last line, it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is nothing but a plus b whole square. So a is 4x plus b is 3y. So 4x plus 3y whole square. The factorization of 16x square plus 24xy plus 9y square equals to 4x plus 3y whole square. Next, second question. 4y square minus 4y plus 1. Now here first term 4y square, 4 can be written as 2 square into y square minus 4y as it is plus 1 can be written as 1 square. 2 square y square can be written as 2y whole square minus 4y as it is plus 1 square can be written as 1 square. Now if we observe, this is a square, this is b square, this is minus 2ab. So let us separate it as minus 2ab. 2y whole square minus 2 into a is nothing but 2y into b is nothing but 1 plus 1 square as it is. So now if we observe this last line clearly, it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square is nothing but a minus b whole square. So a is nothing but 2y minus b is nothing but 1 whole square. So the factorization of the given question is 2y minus 1 whole square. Let us move to the next question. 4x square minus y square by 25. Here 4x square is there, so 4 can be written as 2 square x square minus y square by 25 can be written as 5 square. 2 square x square can be written as 2x whole square minus y square by 5 square can be written as y by 5 whole square. Now if we observe this clearly, this is in the form of a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So in this same way, 2x whole square minus y by 5 whole square will become 2x plus y by 5 into 2x minus y by 5. Next, let us check the fourth question. (18a square minus 50). Now if we observe this, here only two terms are there. So related to only two terms, we know only one formula, that is a square minus b square formula. Because anyway here square only there. So now if we observe here, 18 is not a perfect square, 50 is also not a perfect square. So to make it into perfect squares, I will take out 2 common. So if I take 2 common, we remains with 9a square minus 25. So 2 as it is into 9 can be written as 3 square a square minus 25 can be written as 5 square. So now 2 as it is into 3 square a square can be written as 3a whole square minus 5 square. So outside 2 as it is into 3a whole square minus 5 square is in the form of a square minus b square. So if we expand it, a plus b into a minus b. So the factorization of the given question is 2 times 3a plus 5 into 3a minus 5. Next, let us move to the next question with question number 5. X square plus 5x plus 6. So now actually in this one, we will use x plus a into x plus b identity. So instead of that one, I am going to deal with the splitting the middle term into 2 terms, because this splitting the middle term into 2 terms only will be helpful again in the 10th class also. So for that, take the constant, here constant is 6, multiply that constant with x square coefficient. Here before x square nothing is there, means 1. So 6 ones are 6. Now 6 will come in which tables, write all those. 1 6 are 6, 2 3s are 6. Again in reverse, 3 2s are 6 ones are. So only 2 pairs are possible. Now if you observe the question, in the question every term is a positive term only. So here also these numbers should be positive. Plus 1, plus 6, plus 2, plus 3. So now if you do addition of those pairs, you need to get this middle number plus 5. So which pair is correct pair? Plus 1 plus 6, it is plus 7. Plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. So second pair is the correct pair. Write the first term as it is, x square. In the place of second term, substitute these numbers. Plus 5x is there, so in the place of 5x, plus 2x plus 3x. Last term plus 6 as it is. So now from the first as well as second term, we can take out x common. So if I take x common, then we remains with x plus 2. Next, from the third and fourth term also we can take out 3 common. So 3 into x plus 2. Now here x plus 2 is there, here also x plus 2 is there. So let us take out x plus 2 as also common. Then if we take out x plus 2 common, here we remains with x, here plus 3. So x plus 3. So the factorization of the given question is x plus 2 into x plus 3. This method which we solved here is called as splitting the middle term into two terms, simply factorization. Next, let us move to the sixth question. Sixth question is 3p square minus 24p plus 36. Again, this also I am going to simplify by using splitting middle term into two terms. Multiply the constant and p square coefficient. Here constant is 36 into p square coefficient is 3. 36 3s are 108. Now this 108 will come in which tables? We need to write all those tables. In one table 108 will come anyway, because in one table every number will come 1 into 108. Next, in two table 108 will come obviously 254s. Next, in three table 108 will come, of course it will come because 336. Next, what about in four table? Four table it will come, that is 4 into 27. Next, 5 table it won't come. 6 table then obviously it will come because it is coming in 2 table as well as 3 table also. So definitely it will come in 6 table. Then but where it will come in 6 table then? 108. 18s 6 18s. Next, 7 table it will come. It won't come. Then 8 table it won't come. 9 table it will come. Where? 12 9s 108. So 9 12s 9 comma 12. Next, 10 table it won't come. 11 table it won't come. Again in reverse, 12 9s 18 6s 27 4s 36 3s 54 2s. So total 6 pairs are possible. Now from these 6 pairs, which pair we need to take? So for that, first of all we need to check all the symbols. Sorry. Here for the given question only the middle term is negative. So if only middle term is negative, always from the pair bigger number should be negative. From every pair bigger number should be negative. So positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Oh, I'm sorry. Only middle number is positive. Sorry, negative, right? So if only middle number is negative means both should be negatives. Minus, 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 minus. In the every pair, both the numbers should be negatives. Okay, now let us check. First one, minus 1 minus 108. It is minus 109. Minus 2 minus 54 minus 56. Next, minus 3 minus 36, it is minus 39. Minus 4 minus 27, it is minus 31. Minus 6 minus 18, minus 24. So the middle number is minus 24. So the correct pair is last second pair, that is minus 6 minus 18. First term 3p square as it is. In the place of minus 24p, we need to substitute minus 6p minus 18p plus 36. Now, if we observe the first term as well as second term, from first and second terms, we can take out 3 common as well as p also common, 3p common. So we can take out 3p common. So I am taking 3p common, then v remains with p minus 2. Then from third and fourth term also I am taking minus 18 common, then v remains with p minus 2. Here p minus 2 is there, so take out p minus 2 common, then remains with 3p minus 18. 3p minus 18. Next, here 3p minus 18 also we can take out common. P minus 2 as it is. 3p minus 18 if we take out 3 common, then we remains with p minus 6. So finally we can simplify it as 3 into p minus 2 into p minus 6. This is the factorization of the given question. So by this, third bit also completed. Now let us move to the fourth bit. Fourth bit is just expanding by using the identities. The first question is given as x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Fourth bit, first question is x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Now if you observe the question clearly, it is in the form of a plus b plus c whole square. So a plus b plus c whole square is nothing but a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. In the place of a we have x, in the place of b 2y, in the place of c 4z. Let us substitute now. A square is there, so x square plus b square 2y whole square plus c square 4z whole square plus 2 into a, that is x, into b 2y plus 2 into b 2y into c 4z plus 2 into c 4z into a x square plus 2y whole square 4y square plus 4z whole square 16z square plus 2 into 2 4 into xy 4xy plus 2 to the 4 4 the 16 into yz 16yz plus 2 4 the 8 into zx 8zx. So this is the expanded form of the given question. X square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus 4xy plus 16yz plus 8zx. Next, let us check the second question. Second question also same again by using the identity. 2a minus 3b whole power 3. Now this 2a minus 3b whole power 3 is in the form of a minus b whole cube. So here already a and b is there in the question, so not to have any confusion I am taking it as x minus y then. So the given question is in the form of x minus y whole cube. X minus y whole cube, if we expand we get x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Actually two formulas will be there. One more formula is x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. That only I expanded like this. X cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. In the place of x 2a, in the place of y 3b. Let us substitute now. So x cube is there, 2a whole cube minus y cube 3b whole cube minus 3 into x square, that is 2a whole square, into y 3b plus 3 into x 2a into y square 3b whole square. If we simplify one by one, 2a whole cube, 2 cube is 8, so 8a cube minus 3b whole cube, 3 cube is 27, b cube minus 3 into 2a whole square 4a square into 3b plus 3 into 2a into 3b whole square 9b square. 8a cube we can't simplify further, 27b cube also we can't simplify further, again completed. 3 4s are 12, 12 3s are 36, a square b, sorry it is 36 plus 3 2s are 6, 6 9s are 54, a b square. So this is the final answer. 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 36a square b plus 54ab square. Next, let us check the third question. Third question is minus 2a plus 5b minus 3c whole square. So in this case I am not going to use separate formulas. I am going to be addicted only with one formula, that is a plus b plus c whole square only. So according to that only I will convert the question. So minus 2a can be written as plus into minus 2a plus 5b as it is, minus 3c can be written as plus of minus 3c whole square. So this will become x, this will become y, this will become z. X plus y plus z whole square. X plus y plus z whole square is nothing but x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Actually, a plus b plus c also we can take, but already we have a, b, c in this question. So that's why, not to have any confusion, I'm going with x, y, z. Okay, now let us substitute then. Here x square is there, x is nothing but minus 2a. So minus 2a whole square plus y square, y is nothing but 5b. So 5b whole square plus z square, z is nothing but minus 3c whole square plus 2 into x, x is nothing but minus 2a into y, y is nothing but 5b plus 2 into y, y is nothing but 5b into z, z is nothing but minus 3c plus 2 into z, z is nothing but minus 3c into x minus 2a. Let us simplify it. Minus 2a whole square 4a square plus 5b whole square 25b square plus minus 3c whole square 9c square plus into minus, minus 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 ab plus into minus, minus 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30 bc plus into minus, minus, minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12 ca. So this is the final answer. Okay, let us check the next question, fourth one. Here the fourth question is given as a by 4 minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square. So a by 4 is plus only, so as it is. Minus b by 2 I will write it as plus of minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square. Now again the given question is in the form of a plus b plus c whole square. So if we expand it, a square, that is nothing but a by 4 whole square plus b square minus b by 2 whole square plus c square, that is 1 square, plus 2 into a into b plus 2bc, 2 into b into c plus 2ca, 2 into c into a. Let us simplify. A by 4 whole square, a square by 16 plus minus b by 2 whole square. For minus we are doing square, then it will become plus b square by 4 plus 1 square 1. Here plus into minus, minus. Here 2, here 2 will get cancelled. Then we remains with ab by 4. Here plus into minus, minus 2, 2 cancel b. 2 1s are 2 2s are plus a divided by 2. This is the final answer. Next, let us check the fifth question. The fifth question is p plus 1 whole power 3. So p plus 1 whole power 3 is in the form of a plus b whole cube. So a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. In the place of a, p is there, in the place of b, 1 is there. So let us substitute. P cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into p square into 1 plus 3 into p into 1 square. P cube as it is plus 1 cube 1 plus 3 into p square into 1 3p square plus 3 into p 3p into 1 square 1. So 3p. So final answer is p cube plus 1 plus 3p square plus 3p. Next, last question in this bit. That is x minus 2 by 3 times y whole power 3. This is in the form of a minus b whole cube. So the formula for a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So in the place of a x is there, in the place of b 2 by 3 y is there. So let us substitute then. A cube, that is nothing but x cube, minus b cube 2 by 3 y whole cube, minus 3 into a square x square into b 2 by 3 y, plus 3 into a, that is x, into b square 2 by 3 y whole square, x cube as it is, minus, here this cube is for numerator as well as denominator as well as for the alphabet. So 2 cube 8, y cube by 3 cube 27, minus 3 into, sorry, no need of 3 because it will get cancelled. Here 3 will get cancelled, then we remains with 2 into x square into y, 2x square y, plus 3 into x into, here square is there, so square is for numerator as well as for denominator as well as for alphabet. 2 square is 4 by 3 square is 9 into y square, x cube as it is, minus 8y cube by 27, minus 2x square y, plus, here 3 1s are 3 3s are, so we remains with 4xy square divided by 3. So this is the final answer. Next, let us move to bit number 5. The fifth question we have 25x square plus 16y square plus 4z square minus 40xy plus 16yz minus 20xz. $25x square can be written as 5x whole square plus 16y square can be written as 4y whole square plus 4z square can be written as 2z whole square, minus, this is a square plus b square plus c square, a square plus b square plus c square. We have formula related to a plus b plus c whole square. So a plus b plus c whole square is nothing but a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So minus 2 into, here 5x into 4y plus 2bc, 2 into 4y into 2z plus 2 into 5x into 4y, oh sorry, 2z, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now in the given question we will be having negative symbols also. Then where we need to keep that negative symbols? After writing the final step, I will decide the where we need to keep that symbol. Let us check now. This is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca formula. That is nothing but a plus b plus c whole square. So a is 5x and b is 4y and c is 2z whole square. So this is a plus b plus c whole square formula. But in the question we have negative symbols. Now observe that negative symbol clearly again. Here we have one negative symbol, here also one negative symbol. In both the terms, which is the common alphabet? Here also alphabet x is there, here also alphabet x is there. So it means for x term negative symbol should be there. So that is nothing but this 5x. So 5x can be written as minus 5x, remaining all keep plus. Now in the previous step also we need to change. Here minus 5x whole square. Here 2 into minus 5x into 4y, 2 into minus 5x into 2z. This is the final answer. So minus 5x plus 4y plus 2z whole square. Next, in the fifth bit only second question is there. Let us check that second question now. 9a square plus 4b square plus 16c square plus 12ab minus 16bc minus 24ca. First term 9a square can be written as 3a whole square plus 4b square can be written as 2b whole square plus 16c square can be written as 4c whole square plus 2 into a into b. 2 into a is nothing but 3a into b is nothing but 2b plus 2 into bc. B is nothing but 2b into c is nothing but 4c plus 2 into ca. C is nothing but 4c into a is nothing but 3a. Now I'll write the first step, final step at the first, then after I'll go with the symbols. A plus b plus c whole square, right? So a is nothing but 3a, b is nothing but 2b and c is nothing but 4c. So 3a, 2b, 4c whole square. Now let us check the question once. Here we have negative symbol, here we have negative symbol. So in both those terms, which alphabet is common? C is common. So for c only negative should be there. So here minus, remaining all plus. Now in the question also, wherever we have c, keep minus. Here minus 4c, here minus 4c, here minus 4c. So this is the final answer. So by this problem, bit number 5 also completed. Now let us move to the bit number 6. In the bit number 6, he gave if a plus b plus c is equals to 9 and ab plus bc plus ca is equals to 26, then find the value of a square plus b square plus c square. Now if we observe all these, clearly we can get to know that it is related to formula a plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So I will take that formula now. A plus b plus c whole square. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now in the first step itself, he gave a plus b plus c value as 9. So in the place of a plus b plus c, let us substitute 9. So 9 square is equals to, he clearly mentioned a square plus b square value we need to find out. So a square plus b square c square I don't know. So that's why I am writing it as it is, a square plus b square plus c square. Next, plus here 2ab, 2bc, 2ca is there. So from all those three terms, I will take out 2 common. Then v remains with ab plus bc plus ca. So here left side we have 9 square. 9 square is nothing but 81, which is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus ca, sorry, bc plus ca. Value he gave it as 26. So AB plus BC plus CA is nothing but 26. Now 81 is equals to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into 26. It's nothing but 52. This plus 52 I will take another side. Then we will get the final answer as A square plus B square plus C square is equals to 81 minus 52. Then if we write the step, A square plus b square plus c square is equals to 81 minus 52. It is nothing but 29. This is what he is asking to find. Okay, next let us move to the 7th bit. Here the 7th bit is evaluate the following using suitable identities. In this, the first question he gave as 99 whole power 3. So here 99 whole power 3 can be written as 100 minus 1 whole power 3. 100 minus 1 whole power 3. 100 minus 1 whole power 3 is in the form of a minus b whole cube. So a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So here in the place of a we have 100, in the place of b we have 1. So let us substitute now. 100 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into a square, that is 100 square, into b 1 plus 3 into a 100 into b square, that is 1 square. Now if we check 100 power 3, so here 2 zeros are there and power 3 is there, so 2 into 3, 6 zeros will come. Total 6 zeros, 1, then keep 6 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1 cube is 1, minus 3 into 100 square. For 2 zeros, power 2 is there, so 2 to the 4, 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyway, into 1 only there, so no problem. Plus 3 into 100 into 1 square, 1. Let us simplify this now. First term as it is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros, minus 1, minus 3 into 10,000, 30,000, plus 3 into 100, 300. Now, this 10 lakhs plus 300, 10 lakhs 300 minus 1 minus 30,000 minus 30,000 1. So let us do subtraction from this. 10 lakhs 300 minus 30,000 1. We will get the final answer as 9 lakhs 70,299. Let us move to the next question. One not 2 whole power 3. This is also in the 7th bit only. Second question. 102 whole power 3. So here 102 whole power 3 can be written as 100 plus 2 whole power 3. 100 plus 2 whole power 3 is in the form of a plus b whole cube. So here a plus b whole cube is nothing but a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So 100 plus 2 whole cube. Here in the place of a 100 is there, in the place of b 2 is there. So if we check it out, a cube, that is nothing but 100 cube, plus b cube, that is 2 cube, plus 3 into a square, 100 square, into b is 2, plus 3 into a is 100 into b square, that is 2 square. Now 100 cube is there, so here 2 zeros, power is 3, so 2 3s are 6 zeros completely. Plus 2 cube 8, plus 3 into 100 square, here 2 zeros, here power 2, 2 2s are 4, so 4 zeros into 2, plus 3 into 100 into 2 square, 4. Writing the first term as it is, 10 lakhs plus 8 plus 3 into 1, 3 2s are 6, here 4 zeros are there, so 4 zeros as it is, plus 3 4s are 12, 12 1s are 12, 12, after that 2 zeros, so 1200. Let us add all these numbers. So if we add 10 lakhs plus 8 plus 60,000 plus 1200, so we will get the final answer as 1061208. 10 lakhs 61,208. question number 3 in this bit only again, that is 998 whole power 3. 998 whole power 3. Here 998 can be written as 1000 minus 2 whole power 3. So 1000 minus 2 whole power 3, it is in the form of a minus b whole cube. I think like the first question now. So a minus b whole cube is nothing but a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. In the place of a we have 1000, in the place of b we have 2. So if we substitute 1000 cube minus 2 cube minus 3 into 1000 square into 2 plus 3 into 1000 into 2 square. If we simplify 1000 cube, here 3 zeros, power is 3 zeros, 3 threes are 9, 9 zeros, minus 2 cube is 8, minus 3 into 3 zeros, power 2, so 3 twos are 6, 6 zeros, 6 into 2 as it is, plus 3 into 1000 into 2 square, 4. So let us simplify finally now. First term as it is, 9 zeros, minus 8, minus 3 into 1, 3, 3 twos are 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. Here 1, 2, 3 zeros are there. So 3 zeros. First I will write all the pluses together and minus together. Then we will get this one and this one together. So let us add those two. 9 zeros plus 12,000. So we will get the answer as 1, 4 zeros, 12, 3 zeros, minus, here we have minus 8 minus 60 lakhs. So minus 60 lakhs minus 8, minus 60 lakhs 8. Now if we do subtraction of these two, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, 12 triple zeros, minus 6, 5 zeros, 8. So our final answer will be 994011992. Next, let us move to the last question in this bit, that is 1001 whole power 3. 1001 whole power 3. Here 1001 whole power 3 is in the form of 1000 plus 1 whole power 3, which is in the form of a plus b whole cube formula. A plus b whole cube is nothing but a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Here in the place of a we have 1000, in the place of b we have 1. So if we substitute, we get 1000 cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into, sorry, here 3a square b, 1000 square into 1 plus 3 into 1000 into 1 square. 1000 cube, here 3 digits are there, power 3 is there, so 3 threes are 9, 9 zeros, plus 1 cube is 1 plus 3 into 1000 square, here 3 zeros, power 2, 3 to the 6, 6 zeros into 1 plus 3 into 1000 into 1 square, 1. So we need to add all these things. So first term as it is plus 1 plus 3 into this total number. So 3 as it is, 6 zeros are there, 6 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 3 into 1000, 3000. So let us add all this. The final answer will be 1, 00 300 3001, which is a palindrome number. Okay, by this problem we completed 7th bit. Okay, now let us move to the 8th bit. In the 8th bit, he is asking to do factorize for the given. First question he gave it as 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So if you observe this clearly, it is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So here 8a cube can be written as 2a whole cube plus b cube can be written as b whole cube plus this is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b. So 3 into here a is nothing but 2a whole square b plus 3ab square. 3a is nothing but 2a into b square. If you observe, here 2a whole square is there, so 2a whole square is nothing but 4. So 3 4s are 12. 12a square b, of course that one only. 3 2s are 6. 6 into a into b square, 6ab square. So the given question I separated as like this. Now from this we can conclude a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square is nothing but a plus b whole cube formula. So a is nothing but 2a plus b as usual. So 2a plus b whole cube. This 2a plus b whole cube only can be written as 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. Just expanding. Okay, let's check the second question. A cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So in this, same like previous question only, as it is previous terms only, just the change the symbols. So 8a cube can be written as 2a whole cube minus b cube can be written as b whole cube minus 12a square b can be written as 3 into 2a whole square into b plus 6ab square can be written as 3 into 2a into b whole square. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, that is nothing but a minus b whole cube formula. So a is nothing but 2a minus b as usual. So 2a minus b whole cube. Next, third question. 1 minus 64a cube minus 12a plus 48a square. So if we observe this clearly, 1 can be written as 1 cube minus 64a cube can be written as 4a whole cube. So this is a cube minus b cube is there. So a cube minus b cube means minus 3a square b should be there. So 3 into a is nothing but 1. So 1 square into b is nothing but 4a. Then plus 3a b square plus 3 a is nothing but 1 into b is nothing but 4a whole square. So this is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square, which is nothing but a minus b whole cube formula. So a is 1 minus b is 4a. So 1 minus 4a whole power 3. Next, let us check the last question. Eight p cube minus 12 by 5 p square plus 6 by 25 p minus 1 by 125. Okay, now if you observe, here 8p cube can be written as 2p whole cube. 12 and 5 both are not a cube of any numbers. 6, 25 also, those are not cubes of any numbers. So I will move to the next term, that is last one, 1 by 125. Of course, 1 is a cube of 1, 125 is cube of 5. So I'll write the last term in the second position, that is minus 1 by 5 whole power 3, because 125 is nothing but 5 cube. So now we got a cube minus b cube. So next we need to get minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Oh sorry, here b. So now let us check. In the place of a 2p, so here 2p, in the place of b 1 by 5. Here in the place of a 2p, in the place of b 1 by 5. So now if we observe this clearly, we will get a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. It is nothing but a minus b whole cube formula. So a is nothing but 2p minus b is nothing but 1 by 5. So 2p minus 1 by 5 whole cube. By this, 8th bit completed. Now let us move to the bit number 9. In the bit number first question, he is asking to verify x cube plus y cube is equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square using some non-zero positive integers and check by actual multiplication also. Can you call these as identities? Okay, first he is asking us to verify by taking some non-zero positive integers. So for easy calculation, I am going to take 1 in the place of x also, in the place of y also. If x is equals to 1 comma y equals to 1, first I will take the LHS. LHS we have x cube plus y cube. So x value we took as 1, then we can write it as 1 cube plus 1 cube. 1 cube is 1 plus 1 cube is 1. So 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. So LHS we got the answer as 2. Now let us check the RHS. In the RHS, we have x plus y times x square minus xy plus y square. Substituting in the place of x1 and in the place of y1. So 1 plus 1 times 1 square minus 1 into 1 plus 1 square. 1 plus 1, 2 into 1 square is 1 minus 1 ones are 1 plus 1 square 1. Here minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled. Then we remains with 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is nothing but 2. LHS we got 2 only. RHS also we got 2 only. So we can conclude that LHS is equals to RHS. So verification done. Not only 1 and 1, you can substitute any number in the place of x as well as in the place of y. You can substitute different numbers also. For example, x is 3, y is 4, x is 5, y is 10, like that also. You can substitute. Always you will get LHS, RHS value same only. So that's why we can conclude that this is an identity. Actually, this is one of the formulas we should learn. X cube plus y cube formula is x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Then he is also asking and check by actual multiplication. So I'll write the question again. Left side we have x cube plus y cube, which is equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So left side already it is in the simplified form only, so I am not going to touch the left side. Simply I will solve the RHS. X into x square, x power 3, x into minus xy minus x square y, x into y square, xy square. First one into first one into second one, first one into third one completed. Now second one into first one, y into x square y. Second one into second one minus y into xy square. second one into third one, y into y square, y cube. Let us check for any simplification or cancellation is possible. Here minus x square y, here plus x square y cancel, plus xy square minus xy square cancel, then we remains with x cube plus y cube. So LHS x cube plus y cube, RHS also x cube plus y cube. So LHS is equals to RHS. By both we did verification. One is by substituting the numbers and one is by checking direct multiplication. Next, second one, he will give one more. X cube minus y cube is equals to x minus 1 into x square plus xy plus y square. Again, in this also for easy calculation I am going to substitute if x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1. Okay, LHS I will solve first. LHS we have x cube minus y cube. In the place of x substituting 2. So 2 cube minus y cube, 1 cube. 2 cube is nothing but 8 minus 1 cube is 1. So 8 minus 1, 7. Next, let us check the RHS. Here in the RHS we have x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Sorry. X minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So the numbers which we took in the previous class, that same numbers I am going to substitute here also. X is 2 and y is 1. So 2 minus 1 into 2 square plus 2 into 1 plus 1 square. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 into 2 square, 4 plus 2 ones are 2 plus 1 square, 1. Then we remains with 1 into 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So 1 7s are 7. If you observe the previous answer and this answer, LHS is 7, RHS also 7. So in this case also, instead of substituting this 2 and 1, whatever the number you substitute, always the LHS is equals to RHS. So then we can confirm that this is an identity. This is actually one more formula. X cube minus y cube is equals to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Now, by actual multiplication, let us check. I am writing the formula or question again. X cube minus y cube is equals to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. LHS is already simplified only, so I am going to solve only the RHS. First one into first one into second one, first one into third one. X into x square, x power 3, x into xy, x square y, x into y square, xy square. Next, second term into first one, second term into second one, second term into third one. Minus y into x square, minus x square y, minus y into xy, minus xy square, minus y into y square, minus y power 3. Let us check for any simplification or cancellation. Here x square y minus x square y cancel, plus xy square minus xy square cancel, then we remains with x cube minus y cube. Left side also x cube minus y cube only, right side also x cube minus y cube only. So verification completed. Next, let us move to the bit number 10. In the bit number 10, the first question is factorize 27a cube plus 64b cube. So here 27a cube can be written as 27 can be written as 3 cube, a cube as it is, plus 64 can be written as 4 cube, b cube as it is. 3 cube a cube can be written as 3a whole cube, plus 4 cube b cube can be written as 4b whole cube. Now this is in the form of x cube plus y cube. Just previous problem we did. X cube plus y cube is nothing but x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So here in the place of x we have 3a and in the place of y 4b. So let us substitute now in the formula. X plus y 3a plus 4b into x square 3a whole square minus x into y 3a into 4b plus y square 4b whole square. First 3a plus 4b as it is, into 3a whole square 9a square minus 3 4s are 12ab plus 4b whole square 16b square. So this is the factorization. Still we cannot simplify further, so answer completed. Next, in this 10th bit only, second question is there, that also we will discuss now. Second question in the 10th bit is 343y cube minus 1000. Here 343 can be written as 7 cube, y cube as it is, minus 1000 can be written as 10 cube. 7 cube y cube can be written as 7y whole power 3 minus 10 cube. Now this is in the form of x minus y whole cube. Sorry, x cube minus y cube. X cube minus y cube is nothing but x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. In the place of x we have 7y, in the place of y we have 10. So let us substitute now. First x minus y is there, so 7y minus 10 into x square 7y whole square plus xy 7y into 10 plus y square 10 square. First one as it is 7y minus 10 times 7y whole square 49y square, says 7 tens are 720y plus 10 square 100. So this is the answer. We cannot simplify further. Of course if we simplify also we will get the again question only. Okay, next let us move to the bit number 11. Okay, here the question number 11 is factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9 into x into y into z. So now here 27x cube can be written as 3x whole cube plus y cube as it is plus z cube also as it is minus 9xyz can be written as 3x into y into z into 3. So this is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus z, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3 into abc. So this is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3 into abc. That is nothing but a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So let us substitute in this now. In the place of a we have 3x, in the place of b y, in the place of c z. Okay, a plus b plus c, that is nothing but 3x plus y plus z into a square 3x whole square plus b square y square plus c square z square minus a into b 3xy minus b c yz minus ca 3xz. Let us simplify. 3x plus y plus z as it is into 3x whole square 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3xz. We cannot simplify further, answer completed. Because if we simplify further also we will get the again same question only as the answer then. So that's why no need. Next let us move to the question number 12. Question number we have verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to half modulus x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. So he is asking to verify this. This also again by any method we can use, that is by simplifying the RHS and making it equal to LHS, otherwise substituting some numbers in the place of x, y and z. So first I am going to do with substituting some numbers in the place of x, y and z. If for easy calculation I am taking x value 1, y value also 1, z value also 1, because in this type of questions we should not take actually negative symbols, otherwise bigger numbers, because it will become difficult for calculation and it is just waste of time also. So take whatever the easy numbers you can able to take. Now let us substitute. First I am going with the LHS. LHS we have x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 times xyz. X is nothing but 1, so 1 cube, y is also 1, so 1 cube plus z is also 1, 1 cube minus 3 into x is 1 into y is 1 into z is 1. 1 cube 1 plus 1 cube 1 plus 1 cube 1 minus 3 into 1 3, 3 into 1 3, 3 into 1 3. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 3, 3 minus 3 0. So the value of LHS is 0. Now let us check the value of RHS. I'll write the RHS here again separately. The RHS we have is half of x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Let us substitute now. Half into x value 1 plus y value 1 plus z value 1 times of x minus y 1 minus 1 whole square plus y minus z 1 minus 1 whole square plus z minus x 1 minus 1 whole square. Half into 1 plus 1 plus 1 3 into 1 minus 1 0 square plus 1 minus 1 0 0 square plus 1 minus 1 0 0 square. So half into 3 into 0 square is 0, 0 square is 0, 0 square is 0, 0 0 0 0. So 0 into anything always 0 only. So the value of RHS is also 0. So LHS is equals to RHS. Hence proved. Okay, now let us move to the question number 13. In that A, if x plus y plus z is equals to 0, then show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3xyz. Now I am going to solve this problem by using the previous formula, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to half into x minus y whole square, sorry, half into x plus y plus z, right? This will come later again. Half into x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. So left side as it is, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to half into, in the question only he gave that clearly x plus y plus z value is 0. So substituting 0 in the place of x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square minus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Now x cube as it is plus y cube as it is plus z cube as it is minus 3xyz is equals to 0 into any number is 0 only. So the total RHS will become 0. Now take this minus 3xyz to the right side, then we will get x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3xyz. So this is the formula also we need to remember. If x plus y plus z is equals to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3xyz. Now by using this formula, he is asking to show one more. Show that a minus b whole cube plus b minus c whole cube plus c minus a whole cube. This is in the form of x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Then if it is x cube plus y cube plus z cube formula, then we need to first check the value of x plus y plus z. Here x is nothing but a minus b, plus y is nothing but b minus c, plus z is nothing but c minus a. Plus a minus a cancel, minus b plus b cancel, minus c plus c cancel, then answer will be 0. So we can write here b plus c is equals to 0. Then a cube plus b cube plus c cube value is 3abc. So here a is nothing but a minus b, b is nothing but b minus c is nothing but c minus a. So our answer finally it will become 3 times a is nothing but a minus b, b is nothing but b minus c is nothing but c minus a. So this is only is asking to show, hence proved. Next, bit number 14. In this bit number 14 is asking without calculating the cubes, then find the values. First question is minus 10 whole cube plus 7 cube plus 3 cube. Now the given question is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. So we need to find whether those sum is giving, I mean a plus b plus c sum is giving 0 or not. So a value is minus 10 plus b value is 7 plus c value is 3. Minus 10 plus 7 minus 3 plus 3 0. So here a plus b plus c value is 0. A plus b plus c value is 0. So if a plus b plus c value is 0, then the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to 3abc. So the final answer is 3 into a is nothing but minus 10, into b is nothing but 7, into c is nothing but 3. So now here only one minus symbol is there, so answer will be minus 3 10s are 30, 33s are 90, 97s are 630. So the final answer is minus 630. Next, let us check the second question in this. Second question, we have 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube. First, let us check the sum of the ABCs. 28 minus 15 minus 13. 28 as it is. Minus 15 minus 13 minus 28. Sorry, here 28, right? 28 minus 15 minus 13 minus 28. So 28 minus 28 is nothing but 0. So here also the value of a plus b plus c is 0. Then the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be 3 into a into b into c. So 3 into a is 28, into b is minus 15, into c is minus 13. So we get here 2 times minus minus is there. So minus into minus plus. Then multiply all the numbers. That is 3 into 28 into 15 into 13. 3 into 28 into 15 into 13 is nothing but 16,380. So this is the answer. Next, third question in this. 1/2 whole power 3 plus 1/3 whole power 3 minus 5/6 whole power 3. 1/2 whole power 3 plus 1/3 whole power 3 minus 5/6 whole power 3. Again, first I am going to check the sum of ABCs. That is 1/2 plus 1/3 minus 5/6. Here all the denominators are different, so I will take the LCM. LCM of 2, 3, 6 is 6. In 2 table, where 6 will come? 3s are. In 3 table, 2s are. in 6 table 1s are. So 1 3s are 3 plus 1 2s are 2 minus 5 1s are 5. 3 plus 2 5 minus 5 by 6. 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 by anything is 0. So here a plus b plus c value is 0. Then the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube is nothing but 3abc. That is equals to 3 into a value 1 by 2 into b value 1 by 3 into c value minus 5 by 6. Here only one minus symbol is there, so minus. Here 3 will get cancelled, then we remains with 5 by 2 6 are 12. So answer is minus 5 divided by 12. Next, in this bit, last question. 0.2 whole power 3 minus 0.3 whole power 3 plus 0.1 whole power 3. 0.2 whole power 3 minus 0.3 whole power 3 plus 0.1 whole power 3. First, let us check the ABC values. A is 0.2 plus B is minus 0.3 and C is 0.1. 0.2 plus 0.1, 0.3 minus 0.3. 0.3 minus 0.3 is nothing but 0. So here A plus B plus C value is 0. Then A cube plus B cube plus C cube value will be equals to 3 times ABC. So 3 into A is nothing but 0.2 into B is nothing but minus 0.3 into C is nothing but 0.1. So here only one minus symbol is there, so minus. First remove all the decimals. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 1s are 18. Now check after digit after the decimal how many digits are there in total. Here after the decimal 1 digit, here 1 digit, here 1 digit. So total 3 digits. After the decimal in the total 3 digits are there. So here already 2 digits are there. So add one more 0. Then before this 0 keep the decimal. So the final answer is minus 0.018. So by this bit number 14 completed. Next let us move to bit number 15. In the 15th bit, question number 1. 4a square plus 4a minus 3. So give possible expression for the length and breadth of the rectangle whose area is given. So the given question is area. 4a square plus 4a minus 3 is the area of the rectangle. Then we need to find out the length and breadth. So for that we need to do factorization method. So I am going to use the method called as splitting the middle term into 2 terms. In the previous already we discussed splitting middle term into 2 terms. So first multiply the constant and x square coefficient. Here constant is minus 3 into a square coefficient 4. Minus 3 4s are minus 12. Now forget about the symbol in the answer and where 12 we will get. Write that 12. 1 12s are 2 6s are 3 4s are. Again in reverse 4 3s are 6 2s are 1 12s are. Sorry 12 1s are. So only 3 possible pairs are there. Now from these pairs which one will be the correct pair? Let us check. Middle term is positive and last term is negative. If middle term is positive and last term is negative, in the given pairs, for every pair, the bigger number should be positive and smaller number should be negative. Here bigger number positive, smaller number negative, bigger number positive, smaller number negative, bigger number positive, smaller number negative. Okay, now let us check. Minus 1 plus 12, 11. Minus 2 plus 6, 4. Minus 3 plus 4, 1. In the middle we have plus 4. So this second pair is the correct pair. So first term 4a square as it is. In the place of 4a let us write minus 2a plus 6a minus 3 as it is again. So now from the first term as well as second term we can take out 2a common, then we remains with 2a minus 1. From third and fourth we can take out 3 common, then we remains with 2a minus 1. So here 2a plus 3 into 2a minus 1. So the factorization is 2a plus 3 into 2a minus 1. So in this one will be length and one will be breadth. Next, in this only second question is there. The second question is given as 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Okay, now again this also I am going to solve by splitting the middle term into two terms. So multiply the constant and a square coefficient. Here constant is 12 into a square coefficient is 25. So 12 times 25. 12 into 25 is nothing but 300. So now 300 will come in which tables? We need to write all those. In one table anyway it is 1 300s. In 2 table also 2 150s. In 3 table also 300s. Next in 4 table it will come. In 4 table it will come 75 4s. Oh, sorry, 475s, right? 475s. In 5 table also it will come 560 60s. In 6 table also it will come 650s. In 7 table it won't come. In 8 table it won't come. In 9 table it won't come. In 10 table it will come again, that is 30s. 10 into 30, 10 30s 300. It won't come in 11 table, it won't come in 12 table. It will come in 12 table because 3 and 4 it is coming, right? So it will come in 12 table also. Then 12 25s. Oh sorry, already 12 into 25 we wrote, right? I forgot that. 12 into 25 it will come. Next 13 table. 13 table it won't come. Then 14 table it won't come. 15 table it will come, that is 15 20s. Now from here onwards it will be in reverse. 20 15s, 25 12s, 30 10s, 56s, 65s, 75 4s, 100 3s, 152s, 300 1s. Now in the given question only the middle term is negative. If only the middle term is negative, then two numbers should be negative. So minus 1 minus 300, minus 2 minus 150, minus 3 minus 100, minus 4 minus 75, minus 5 minus 60, minus 6 minus 50, minus 10 minus 30, minus 12 minus 25, minus 15 minus 20. So now from all these numbers which will be the suitable? Here we have middle minus 35. This is not, 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 this one is correct one. Oh no, not this one also. This last one is correct. Minus 15 minus 20 is minus 35. So first term as it is 25a square. In the place of minus 35a, let us write minus 15a minus 20a plus 12 as it is again. From the first term and second term we can take out 5a common, then we remains with 5a minus 3. In the third and fourth term we can take out minus 4 common, then we remains with 5a minus 3. Here 5a minus 3, 5a minus 3 is there 2 times, so write it once, 5a minus 3 times here 5a minus 4. So the factorization is 5a minus 3 into 5a minus 4. In this one will be length, one will be breadth. Next, question number 16. In the question number 16, he gave what are the possible polynomial expressions for the dimensions of the cuboids. So cuboid is given means length, breadth, height. So total 3 will become. So in this first one is x cube. Sorry, not x cube. 3x cube. 3x cube minus 12x. So now only 2 terms are there, means we know very well clearly that is a square minus b square formula will be there, but here square is not there. So for that what we need to do is I am taking 3x common. So if we take out 3x common, then it remains with x square minus 4. Sorry, x square minus 4 only. 3x as it is into x square minus 4 can be written as 2 square. So now 3x as it is into x square minus 2 square is nothing but x plus 2 into x minus 2, because it is in the form of a square minus b square. So x plus 2 into x minus 2. So the final factorization of the given cubic polynomial is 3x into x plus 2 into x minus 2. So in this, one will be length, one will be breadth, and one will be height. Next, in this only 16th one, second also is there. Second one, 12y square plus 8y minus 20. Okay, now here 12y square plus 8y minus 20 is there. So this for this question splitting is not possible. So that's why what I will do, I will take out 4 common. Then if I take 4 common, we remains with, sorry, let us check for splitting first of all. Here 20, here 12. Minus 20 into 12, it will become 12 2s are 24 minus 240. So splitting the 240 will become very difficult. So to make it easy, I am taking something common, that is nothing but 4. If I take common, we remains with 3y square plus 2y minus 5. Now 4 into this, what is there inside of the bracket, for that I will take out the splitting middle term. So constant is minus 5 into y square coefficient is 3. So minus 5 into 3 minus 15. So now 15 will come in which tables? We need to write all those 1 15s are, 3 5s are, 5 3s are, 15 1s are. So here middle number is positive and last number is negative. So it means a bigger number should be positive. Minus positive minus positive. So minus 1 plus 15 is 14, which is not correct. Minus 3 plus 5 is 2. So 2 is the middle number. So second pair is the correct pair. So 3y square as it is. In the place of 2y, let us substitute minus 3y plus 5y. Minus 5 as it is. Close it. 4 as usual. Into, from the first and second term, we can take out 3y common. Then if we take out 3y common, we remains with y minus 1. Plus 5 common, then we remains with y minus 1. So 4 into here y minus y, 1 is there 2 times. So write y minus 1 into remaining is 3y plus 5. So the factorization is 4 into y minus 1 into 3y plus 5. Okay, by this 16th question also, 16th bit also completed. Now let us move to the last bit in this exercise as well as in this chapter. That is, if 2 into a square plus b square is equals to a plus b whole square, then show that a is equals to b. Now left side, if we take 2 into a square plus b square is equals to, right side we have a plus b whole square. So 2 into a square, 2a square, 2 into b square plus 2b square is equals to, right side we have a plus b whole square formula. So a plus b whole square formula, if we expand, we will get it as a square plus b square plus 2ab. Everything I will take to one side. So 2a square as it is plus 2b square as it is plus a square, if we take another side, it will become minus a square. The same way plus b square also, the same way plus 2ab also is equals to 0. Now 2a square minus a square, 2b square minus b square minus 2ab is equals to 0. Now if you observe this last step clearly, a square plus b square minus 2ab is nothing but a minus b whole square formula. So a minus b whole square is equals to 0. If a minus b whole square is 0, then a minus b also equals to 0. Take minus b to the right side, then it will become a equals to b. Hence proved. So by this we completed the total chapter polynomials and factorization. Till now, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.